Imagine this, entire marketing teams replaced overnight. Blogs, ads, and even video scripts, written in seconds by AI. Deadlines that used to take weeks, now done in minutes. This is Jobs on the Edge, a Skimmy Stories series about the future of work. Companies are already using AI to mass-produce content. Some outlets quietly publish AI-written articles. Marketing firms churn out ads at a fraction of the cost. And entry-level writing jobs, the stepping stones for many careers, are disappearing. But here's the contradiction. AI's words may be endless, but they're empty. The jokes fall flat. The stories lack spark. The insights often ring hollow. That's where the writers who remain come in. They're not paid to churn, they're paid to shape. They refine AI drafts, add emotion where it feels cold, and turn flat lines into something that makes people care. AI can produce text, but it can't create meaning. That spark, humor, humanity, connection, still comes from people who know how to move other people. In a world drowning in AI content, the writers who last won't be the fastest. They'll be the ones who make words feel alive. That's today's Skimmy Story, Jobs on the Edge. We skimmy information, your noise filter. Subscribe here on YouTube, follow us for more on Instagram, and listen on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.